Hey guys, Ragingskull here, doing another in the truck picking session. The noise in the background that you hear is my truck's engine idling. It's a little bit warm out tonight, so I want a little air conditioning. I don't want to fry in this truck. So anyway, what I'm going to be picking tonight is this little Brinks Discus padlock. All locked up. I'll get to the key in just a minute. But it's not an R70. It's I've forgotten the model of it. But it's the one that's smaller than, this is the Discus lock that is smaller than the R70. It's a 4-pin, and surprisingly enough, it has a security pin in it. It'll be like the first 2 pins you pick. They seem like they're straight pins, no security, and then the 3rd pin you pick, you'll get just a little tiniest false set, and then when you finally go to pick the 4th and final pin in the binding order that you need to pick, and that's when you need to let off just a little bit to give it a slight rotation, and she'll pop. So I did find this lock requires quite a bit of tension. Best way I can describe it is it's easy to overset the pins in this lock because, you know, quite frankly, I don't know if you can see that, but that's the key bitting, so I'll get to that in just a minute. So all locked up, and here we go. And I just overset. Like I said, easy to overset. Okay, there's where I felt the little tiny false set. And should be pin number 3. Ease off. Well, so much for that. Well, I guess I'll just show the key working. Something's not right. There we go. Locked up. Having a tough time tonight. Ah! Boom! There we go. Finally picked. This thing was not easy. It took me a while to figure it out. Found I was just always oversetting the pins. But let me see if I can show the key again a little better, get behind the camera and take a look, but not a very, key bitting's not very imaginative, I guess. But either way, slight pain in the ass. So Hope you enjoyed all that. Have a nice night.